Hello everybody, welcome back to our Twitter Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily generate a password in the Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the view in the top left corner. Now select the generator and select the password. Now here you guys can change the options of the length of the password. So for example, I want it to be 120 characters. And here we can include the upper letters, so uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and the special characters. We can select like minimum numbers of 18 and minimum special of, let's say, 40. We can also avoid ambiguous characters. So as you guys can see, it looks much different now. And here we can generate the password and regenerate and find the password that we would like to have. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.